How to use ChatGPT to troubleshoot common Mac hardware problems. ChatGPT can be used to help troubleshoot common hardware problems on Mac computers by providing information and suggestions based on the symptoms you are experiencing. Here are some steps to get started. 1. Identify the problem. Start by identifying the problem you are experiencing with your Mac hardware. Common hardware problems may include issues with the display, keyboard, trackpad, or battery. 2. Provide ChatGPT with the symptoms. Provide ChatGPT with a description of the symptoms you are experiencing. For example, you might say my MacBook Pro won't turn on, or the trackpad on my MacBook Air is unresponsive. 3. Ask for suggestions and solutions. Ask ChatGPT for suggestions and solutions to help resolve the hardware problem. For example, you might ask, how can I fix a MacBook Pro that won't turn on? 4. Follow the recommendations. ChatGPT may provide recommendations on how to troubleshoot and resolve the hardware problem based on the symptoms you described. Follow these recommendations to try to resolve the issue. Some sources for more information on using ChatGPT to troubleshoot common Mac hardware problems include Mac Troubleshooting, How to Use the Genius Bar by Livewire. This article provides an overview of how to troubleshoot common hardware problems on Macs, including using the Genius Bar and other resources for assistance. Mac Hardware Troubleshooting by Apple. This article provides detailed steps for troubleshooting common hardware problems on Macs, including issues with the display, keyboard, trackpad, and battery. How to use chatbots for IT support by BMC. This article provides an overview of how chatbots can be used for IT support, including troubleshooting common hardware problems on Macs. I hope this helps you get started with using ChatGPT to troubleshoot common hardware problems on your Mac. However, please note that ChatGPT is a language model and a guaranteed solution for every hardware problem. It is always recommended to seek professional assistance if you are not confident in your ability to troubleshoot and resolve the issue on your own.